What is hop filling? Hop filling means suck the EPS raw material from the silo system to the hopper. The hopper filling time is controlled in two ways. One is controlled by time and only takes a set amount of time. The other is controlled by hopper level sensor. It's an option. The filling hopper has a top level sensor, and the filling stops within a few seconds after the EPS raw material reaches the top level sensor. Most of the machine has only time control for hopper filling. The hopper filling time is based on the real situation, like density, the volume of the EPS foam products. The time setting also takes into account the distance between the hopper and silo system, generally set about 15 to 20 seconds. This time does not take up the cycle time per mode. What is preheating? Preheating means preheating the mold before cross-heating. If the water cooling time is long, you need to set the preheating time. Generally, preheating time is about 0.5 seconds. If the water cooling time is within 1 second and the mold temperature is high, then you can skip the preheating step, because preheating not only increases the production time per cycle, but also increases the steam energy consumption. What is M1 cross-heating? Before we talk about M1 cross-heating, let us make it clear for M1 cross-heating, M2 cross-heating, and M2 cross-heating, M1 cross-heating. Actually, it's a pair. You can only choose one of them. For example, when you choose M1 cross-heating, steam will first cross from the fixed mode to the movable mode, then from the movable mode to cross-heating the fixed mode. What is M2 cross-heating? M2 cross-heating means steam cross-heating from movable mode to fixed mode. You can choose heating option from heating set page. What is M2 cross-heating? M2 cross-heating means steam cross-heating from movable mode to fixed mode. What is M1 cross-heating? M1 cross-heating means steam cross-heating from fixed mode to movable mode.